In this video, I'm going to show you all the security tricks what I used in my previous experience, like how you can secure your Mikrotik router. Alright, without wasting any time, let's jump to the computer screen. I always try my best to make the short videos so you guys are not going to get bored. So under the services, I'm gonna disable this service FTP because I'm not using any FTP service to copy any files from my computer to this Mikrotik and the SSH. And if you guys using Mikrotik, of course you guys know about the SSH. That's the command line access. And you can also copy the files using if the SSH is enabled, you can use SFTP to copy the files because that use the port 22. So I'm gonna disable this one as well, and the telnet as well, right? And these two are only enabled, but enabling these two services is not going to secure. So I always prefer to change the port number. Like right now it's 8291, which is the default one. Whenever you go to Winbox and you just hit you just enter the IP address and you hit enter to get into the Mikrotik router, so that detects the default port. So I'm gonna change this one to 9999 192.168. so this is going to redirect me to the like you can say web Winbox, and I can do whatever I want. Like I can change the IP address, I can do whatever, right? So why? Because in the services it's enabled and it's on the default one. So I'm gonna change this one to something what I'm the only one gonna remember. So I'm gonna do this 9998, apply, and okay. So that's I would say the first step of security, which is like you can consider the medium level of security. But if you wanna secure it more, you can just select choose the IP addresses. From specific IP addresses it would be available to be open, right? But sometimes it's not good, because if you do this one and you don't have access to the same IP address or the same network, you won't be able to access it. Okay, so let's test these ports. So I'm gonna go to the Mikrotik page again, and as it's already open and it's gonna be in the cache, so I'm gonna go to incognito window and type the IP address. You can see it's not accessing. So once I type the port number, boom, there you go. So now you're the only one who has the access of this port number, because nobody else gonna know. There are like thousands of ports. Okay, so do the same thing on Winbox. So currently I don't have any password because it's a test Mikrotik, but you should have one. So I'm gonna try logging in, but it's gonna be stuck because it's trying the port. Yeah, connection refused. So once I type here port, now you see, boom. So under users, like if you have only one user, make sure it's like password protected, or if you wanna make it like extreme level secure, then set up allowed addresses as well, but it should be with a strong password. And what exactly is a strong password? Strong password means it should at least have like three capital characters. Like I'm gonna say let's say I'm gonna type my password Washington, right? So it has 3 capital and at least 3 numbers like 565, and I would suggest like 3 special character, but 1 is fine as well. So like you can do %sign, you can do exclamation mark, you can do a hashtag, you can do @ whatever you want, and including like this one you can do double @ and exclamation mark. That is considered as a super strong password, which is like kind of impossible to hack, right? So yeah, these are some security tricks to secure your Mikrotik router, and I hope you liked the video. Make sure you hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, because I'm posting videos every single day. And turn on the bell notification so you never miss out any video from this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.